Hello everyone, I'm Hirar Riyad from SR Auto Parts. We have been a part of two lean clusters formed by the MCCI. First thing is, why lean? We all are basically working, or we are all doing our businesses for one thing, and that is growth. How do we get growth? Growth would come through profit. And how do we get profit is by elimination of waste. Elimination of waste is what is lean teaches us, elimination of waste. Doing this, how do we get this? If we as CEOs are the only persons who are going to be there, who are basically going to work to eliminate waste, we are not going to be successful. We will not be able to sustain our industries. The core thing is getting everyone in our company to do elimination of waste, and that comes through empowerment. This is one major thing that we have learned from the lean. One, the discipline which has come through by implementation of 5S, and the other thing is empowerment. These major two pillars brings us down to eliminate waste and thus improve profits. Thanks.
Before lean, we used to purchase excess material to avoid shortages and used to add space to store a lot of raw materials, semi-finished and finished goods.
पहिले बसून काम असल्यामुळे पायाला त्रास व्हायचा, पण आता उभारून काम केल्यामुळे टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंगमुळे पायाचा त्रास खूप कमी झाला.
Inventory management methods have improved the system to monitor and control inventory, resulting in easy tracking of standard and non-standard items. In integrated production planning, we calculated time taken by each department for manufacturing of various products and to establish our production capacity. This has led to improved capacity utilization and delivery attendance. Now, regular production meeting is held once a week, and sunrise to sunset meetings are conducted in each department for allotment and review of daily work. Lean manufacturing has not only brought about a visible change in our workshop, along with improvement in productivity, quality, and safety system, but also a transformation in our outcome.
Namaste. I am Nandal Khattan. I am the MD of Pune Technol Private Limited. Today, we feel that we have taken the right decision by adopting lean management and are very grateful to NPC, MSME and MCCII for launching the scheme. We also appreciate the untiring efforts put in by our LMC, Dr. Roy and his team for their guidance and result-oriented approach. Thank you.